Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X5 2018 model. So any screen, you've got menu there and then communication. You've actually got a communication button there as well, so to get to it from menu, that's what you would do. Otherwise you click communication there. Now there's nothing really of interest when you're deleting a mobile. So you knock the iDrive across to the right, and there you'll see connect new telephone and manage telephones. Again, not really too clear. If you turn the iDrive, see now, I'll just turn the iDrive to manage telephones, then another menu comes up on the right hand side on the professional display anyway. Knock it across again, connect new device, known devices, Barry's iPhone. Across here, telephone, Bluetooth audio, connect device and delete device. So we want to be across on this next menu again. So we knock it across and then delete device. That's it gone. Far too complicated for deleting a mobile. Way too complicated, in my opinion.